Want to streamline your dropshipping process? Ordoro makes it easy to assign suppliers to your products. Let me show you how. To assign a dropship supplier to your products in Ordoro, start by going to the Products tab. Find the product you'd like to update and select the checkmark next to it. Then click Actions and choose Set Supplier Dropshipper. In the pop-up, update the product fulfillment to Dropshipped and set it to Automatic if you want this product to automatically dropship to the supplier. Next, choose your default dropshipper from the drop-down menu. Add a supplier unit cost to the product to track expenses and profitability. Then click Save. To assign suppliers in bulk, select Multiple Products, click Actions, and follow the same steps. This will apply the dropship status and supplier to all selected products, helping you manage your dropshipping process more efficiently. That's all it takes. This feature makes managing your dropshipping process easier than ever. Start using it in Ordoro today